Over time, your car's radiator might develop a leak at the core, tanks, hoses, tubes, or filler neck. A leak can cause vehicles to overheat and lead to irreparable damage on the engine. Now, if you'd like to avoid this kind of dilemma before you hit the road, stay tuned as the products on our list will come in handy for car owners. Radiator stop leak is designed to seal a leak in the cooling system by neutralizing the acids that cause the problem. There are radiator stop leaks that don't work as efficiently on all coolant types, so with that, it's best to find out which one suits your needs most. In this video, we'll share with you the 5 top-selling and trusted products that will help you fix radiator leaks safely without spending a hefty amount on repairs. So join us as we introduce the best radiator stop leaks on the market today. Let's begin. Taking our top spot is the Bars Leaks Radiator Stop Leak. This is a 6-ounce bottle of stop coolant leak that you can use in your automobile's radiators, gaskets, heater cores, and freezes plugs. This seal coolant leaks and works with all types and colors of antifreeze coolant and water. This bottle could treat up to 3 gallons, and for larger systems, use 1 bottle for every 2 gallons of coolant capacity. Fixing a radiator leak will take you time to visit a mechanic and will cost you a lot of money getting that radiator fixed. But a fix should not need to be expensive or time-consuming. The Bars Leaks 2-time concentrate will get your radiator back in working condition, and you'll be able to drive it anywhere you need to go without any hassle of taking it to a repair shop. You won't even need special automotive expertise to fix your radiator leak with the Bars Leaks Radiator Stop Leak. It's specially designed to stop minor to moderate cooling system leaks that are usually caused by normal cooling systems' wear and age. It has twice the power of an ordinary stop leak product that'll help save you double with your time and money. Bars Leaks is a brand trusted by most automotive mechanics to provide an emergency fix and instant solution to your leak. You can count on the effectiveness of this product, and it really does what it says. It's easy to use and stops the holes with ease without clogging your system. At number 2 is the AlumaSeal Radiator Stop Leak Powder Blister Card. It's 20 grams in weight, and this radiator stop leak from AlumaSeal is economical, fast, and effective. You don't have to spend a lot of money when you expect good performance. This product is effective in stopping the radiator's leak faster and safely. AlumaSeal is in powdered form. Once you put it in the cooling system, you can expect the results in no time. This patented formula finds and seals most common cooling leaks. The formula is effective for plastic surfaces, metal, and rubber. AlumaSeal is compatible with all types of antifreeze and coolants in most cars. You can expect your car to keep working well. It doesn't clog the cooling system and prevents rust and helps lubricate the water pump. This product is also easy to use and affordable. Compared with other products at the same price, there's no reason you'll be driving around with a leaking car. You'll definitely have a good time working with and dealing with any leaks. It's gained positive reviews because of its outstanding performance. If you're looking for a great product that works well and effectively, then AlumaSeal Radiator Stop Leak Powder Blister Card is definitely one of the best options for you. Well, those are our first 2 products, but we still have 3 more to share. In buying a radiator stop leak, it's important to select one that suits your needs precisely. By doing so, you can save more time from dealing with repairs, plus you can get the most out of your money. It's our pleasure to help you find the product that'll help you fix a leak on your radiator. If our video has helped you in any way, please leave comments below, as your thoughts matter to us. To receive notifications from us, please tap the bell icon and we'll keep you posted about our latest happenings. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more reviews like this and to become part of our growing family. Now let's continue. At number 3 is the Bars Leaks Block Seal Liquid Copper. Your radiator definitely needs maintenance at some point. This product from Bars Leaks is guaranteed to be safe, effective, and fast compared to other products. Bars Leaks is well known to produce products that are of high quality and perform well. You're certain to get the best for your money. This formula permanently repairs small and larger leaks, radiator intake manifolds, gaskets, blocks, heads, freeze plugs, and even the heater core leak. If the radiator does have leaks, you'll lose a lot of coolant, which can lead to overheating of your vehicle. This product contains an antifreeze compatible sodium silicate liquid glass formula. You won't need to drain the cooling system anymore. It works with all types of antifreeze, including conventional green or blue, and extends the life of red, orange, or yellow coolants. It's guaranteed to be safe for your car because it won't harm your cooling system when you use it properly. It has simple instructions to follow, and for best results, it's easy to use. Bars Leaks Block Seal Liquid Copper guarantees a safe, effective, easy-to-use product that effortlessly fits into your current lifestyle and budget. It has gained positive reviews because of its excellent performance. This product is certainly a good option when you're looking for a great radiator stop leak product. It'll definitely get you back on the road in no time. At this point, you may have selected a product, so we've prepared a link in the description box to help you catch it at its best offer. However, if you still haven't seen the one you need, stay with us as we still have 2 more left. Let us know what you think about our videos by writing in the comment box. Remember to tap that bell icon so we can notify you when we upload a new review. Also, subscribe to our channel if you want to watch more informative reviews like this, and by subscribing, you'll become part of our growing community. At number 4 is the K-Seal Permanent Coolant Leak Repair. This product is definitely trusted by professionals. It's scientifically tested and offers a permanent solution to repairing leaks in your coolant. Coolant leaks lead to costly repairs, but you can prevent that when you use the K-Seal Permanent Cooler Leak Repair. It will repair your radiator with ease, and you can get the best results in no time. All you need to do is shake and pour the formula into your cooling system, then run your engine as normal without needing to drain or flush your cooling system. K-Seal's unique formula will seek out holes and cracks. It will permanently seal the leaks with no harmful effects on the efficiency of your engine cooling. It also repairs leaks and cracks in the head gasket, block, radiator, heater core, freeze plug, and water pump casing. You won't just be fixing the radiator and your coolant, but it'll also take care of a range of different parts that'll help your vehicle drive better. While other products may offer a temporary solution, this one is a permanent repair for your cooling system leaks. It saves you time, effort, and money, and you're guaranteed to get the best results in no time. If you're looking for one of the best radiator stop leak products that will suit your needs, then the K-Seal Permanent Cooling Leak Repair is one of the great options available. At number 5 is the Prestone AS145Y Radiator Stop Leak. This formula guarantees better performance than other products in the market. It's highly effective and safe to use in your car. Prestone Radiator Leak's patented formula quickly stops leaks in radiators, water pumps, and heating cores while protecting against pitting and corrosion in the cooling system, which can lead to serious leaks. It has a unique combination of natural and synthetic components that provides you the ability to seal leaks so you can continue enjoying your car without worrying. With this product, you can be sure of better performance. This product rejuvenates seals, which can help your engine run more efficiently. It seals leak from 0.02 inches to ½ inch. Everyone wants to get a great product for their money, and that's exactly what you get with the Prestone AS145 Radiator Stop Leak. The results are effective, safe, easy to use, and affordable compared to other stop leak products. It'll do the job well to the extent that you'll love it. Radiator stop leaks provide us an easy and fast solution to minor problems in the radiator. Every vehicle owner knows how important it is to ensure that their car or truck is in working shape. It saves us from costly repairs and unexpected predicaments on the road. We hope this video helped you find the radiator stop leak you need. If it did, please leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Also, if there's another product you'd like to see us review, go ahead and mention that in the comments as well. Remember to tap the bell icon to receive notifications when we feature your request in our next review. We've also prepared a link in the comment box to help you catch one of these deals at their best value. Make sure to click the link and get the item you need while the offers last. Before we end our video, click the subscribe button to watch more of our great product reviews and join our community. That's it for today. Thank you all for watching the ReviewTube channel.